Hi, today I'm reviewing Oppo A57s and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings app, and after that we should scroll down to the sound and vibration section. Here we'll see the silent mode switcher. We can turn it on and turn itself by click on the switcher. Just when the silent mode is activated, and our ringtones and notifications they will be muted. When the silent mode is turned off, ringtones and notifications will ring. The one interesting thing, when we'll unmute ringtone volume panel, the silent mode automatically will turn off. In the section where the volume, media, ringtone, and notifications and alarm volume panels, we can just change the volume here. To change ringtone notification sounds, we should just make it here. To activate a vibration on ring or on silent mode, we should click on the switchers. To use the haptic and tones, the system haptics, the dial pad tone, screen lock, unlock, screenshot, deletion, and touch sounds, we should touch on the switchers. And let's go back. Here in real sound technology, we can switch the modes from the smart to movie, game, and music. And in advanced settings, we can here change the volume button function from the media volume to the ringtone one. So now when we'll switch it to the ringtone volume by press to the up or down volume button here on the left side of our phone, we'll change the ringtone volume. And in default recorder setting section, we can switch it from auto select to the add-on. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.